Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the AMD driver error. This is the error 182. So if you try to install or download the AMD software Adrenaline, you encounter this error. It's because you use the old GPU or embedded GPU. So the Adrenaline is for a latest GPU. But for example, for legacy, you have to download the catalyst, not the Adrenaline. So let's start the possible cause. The first one is embedded AMD Radeon graphics. It can be different from the Adrenaline. You can visit AMD driver and support. In order to manually search your driver, you can click on graphics, scroll down and try to search Radeon embedded. You can click it and try to search your product. For example, the HD series, the HD 5770 embedded. You can submit. Now choose your operating system, for example the 60-bit edition. Now you can download this AMD embedded GPU and APU. Download the driver from here and try to install this driver instead of the Adrenaline. Next, there's a legacy AMD Radeon graphics. So this is special for you who is loyal to the AMD. So this is the old graphic list that maybe you had right now. This is desktop and this is the mobile. So here, in order to download the driver, do not download the Adrenaline or latest version. You have to download manually by click on graphics and search for legacy graphics. Click it and search your graphic card right now. For example, Radeon 900 series. This is the ATI, not the AMD. ATI Radeon 9800 series. You can submit and choose your operating system, 64-bit edition for example, and download the Catalyst software suite, not the Adrenaline software pack or suite. Here are the difference. ATI with the Catalyst. You can download and install on your system. And last is the OEM, customized AMD Radeon graphics for OEM system. You have to visit the AMD partners official website. Here is the list. Maybe you have one product from this manufacturer, Acer, Asus, Biostar, MSI, and so on, or AMD add-in board, or AMD original equipment, and system builder partner. So you can obtain the driver from this official website and try to download and install it on your system. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.